What's up, folks? So I'm attaching a 220 240 amp plug to an electrical stove. I mean, and it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing really involved with it. I bought the plug from Home Depot from my electrical supply store. From a local, I bought the plug from my big box retailer. Actually, I got this one from my electrical supply house. Um, so pretty much it's self-explanatory. And then they have a diagram here, and they tell you how to do the 4-wire connection here. You notice the ground is going to connect right there. That's the ground wire, which is going to be equivalent to right there. And then you have one hot, one neutral, and the other hot. And I mean, it's all self-explanatory if you can follow instructions. I'm not really sure if they require a licensed electrician to do this, but oftentimes they're going to tell you that. But it's as simple as screwing out those screws and screwing the screws back on, and that's it. And then you just plug this into the wall. And again, installing a plug for these are pretty straightforward as well. I'll see if I can demonstrate that to you at a different point in a different video. Yeah, but a lot of these things that they say, it's a really harder. Maybe it used to be difficult back in the days, but now it's pretty much straightforward, as you can see. So we're gonna add that in there, and I'll show you how it works later on.